What's up, party people? We're at a property that we landscaped this beautiful bed in, I think in August was it when it was. And now we're back doing a Pondless Waterfall. And in true fashion, here's our hole that they got dug the other day. That's the project. Today, gonna be getting this basin in, getting our dirt shaped, getting our liner dropped in, getting the liner seamed, and putting in some rock. We already got that one out from over there, but we're pulling a couple of stumps here just because they're no longer needed or wanted. But we got this baby here, we gotta get out as well. So I'm gonna get off of the camera, do something productive.
And here we have the elusive Mark heating up our underlayment. That way it gets nice and soft.
All right, morning of day 3. Sun is shining, which is great and glorious, but also it's kind of raining because it's a Washington work. So the guys at the end of the day yesterday got a seam in there. We're gonna put another seam in there. There's overlap, but we're kind of like an insurance to make sure we don't water issues.
Here we've got Mark sitting here primer and about to glue and pipe in. Yeah, big old black pipes, guys. Alright everybody, we've been working on this Pondless Waterfall. We got it running, got it mostly cleaned out. There's just a little bit of settlement mixed in there. That'll go away over time. But yeah, let's go take a quick walk through.